I've seen the commitment my father showed to the enterprise which he was working. And we have seen different phases of the way our parents have traversed this journey.
Long before there was a factory, a brand, or a name called Rhino Machines, there was a young boy watching his father work. Manish Kothari grew up around engineering drawings, customer conversations, and the quiet determination it takes to build something from nothing.
When I was in class 10, I used to go to the office, do typing, telex, posting. So I was connected to the activities which were going on. But I had thought that after engineering, I'll spend a couple of years in some other company before coming here. I had not thought of joining directly. I gave one interview, I got selected, I joined Larsen & Toubro, and after 6 months, the business needed me. I left my 2-year contract and joined Rhino Machines.
Based in Anand, Gujarat, Rhino Machines is led by social entrepreneur Manish Kothari, who believes in growing the business by putting people, purpose and technology together. Building on the foundation laid by his father Raghuveer Kothari, Rhino Machines has focused on practical innovation, responsible manufacturing and long-term sustainability while delivering real value to industry.
Every manufacturing journey begins with a challenge. Some begin with resilience. Rhino Machines is built on the belief that strong industries are shaped not just by machines, but by values, people, and the courage to endure.
So my father is also an entrepreneur by chance. He had to leave the company not by choice, by chance. Of course, his commitment levels, his relationship with customers was so good that as soon as he left, people brought him certain business.
You must have knowledge of the product, what is good for your Indian market. I knew the application, I knew the right, what is the good for this user.
The name Rhino reflects the reality of the foundry world, where machines must withstand extreme conditions, strong, resilient, and unstoppable, built to take pressure and keep moving forward.
Foundry industry where we have been associated, there is a lot of abuse of the machines. So he selected the name of an animal which had a thick skin. Today, when I look at another characteristic of Rhino, after 20-25 years, the Rhino starts walking, it just keeps walking without looking back. And that's again a second character which I can relate to today.
The values that shaped Rhino Machines were forged through real experiences, early struggles, family support, and an unwavering belief in integrity and hard work.
I've never seen our parents complaining of what the world gave to them. So that's something which is a very core learning for me.
From shop floors to customer sites, from installations across India to international projects, Manish's learning came from the field. This hands-on understanding of the industry helped Rhino grow from a manufacturer into a complete solution provider.
I spent so much time in the industry that I could understand the pulse of people from worker to the managing director, owner, how do they think, why do they think like this. Also, I got an exposure to a wide spectrum, including in 93, 94, going to Uganda to commission some machines which I had never seen in my life.
For Rhino Machines, Make in India was never a campaign. It was already a way of working.
When the campaign was launched, I realized that now we have a name to what we are doing. Because we are already doing that. We were already indigenizing. Local manufacturing is something which is more sustainable than just importing machines or importing technologies.
By adapting global technology to Indian conditions, the focus has always been on local manufacturing that is efficient, sustainable, and built to last.
When you look back, we have reached that level on the foundation of people. And when people ask me that what is the future of Rhino, the future of Rhino is people.
राइनो मशीन का जो सबसे बड़ा एसेट्स है कि वो उनके एम्प्लॉय को रिटेन करके रखता है। आज आप राइनो मशीन में देखने जाएंगे तो मेरे हिसाब से 80% के 85% के ऊपर जो भी एम्प्लॉय है वो 10 साल और 10 साल से ज़्यादा है।
Today, under Manish Kothari's leadership, Rhino Machines is evolving beyond manufacturing, sharing knowledge, enabling MSMEs, and contributing to a stronger industrial ecosystem. Not just building machines, but building capability.